Did you know 9 anti-women's health bills were recently introduced in the Arizona legislature? Collectively, they propose 55 new restrictions on women's health care. And to talk about how you can take action, we're joined by Bryan Howard, President and CEO of Planned Parenthood Arizona. Hi, Bryan.
Thanks for having me, Amanda. These are important topics that we're dealing with the legislature in 2011.
For 75 years, Planned Parenthood Arizona has been serving the community with vital prevention care. Bryan, can you give an overview of the new bills that are restricting health care to women?
There are in this collection of about 10 bills, 55 different new restrictions on either access to reproductive health care, including abortion, or your ability to pay for healthcare services using your own health insurance. There's a whole array of new restrictions. The two about which Planned Parenthood is most concerned are one, which would redefine abortion by pill, the so-called medication abortion, which would actually define this process of taking a series of 2 pills to terminate a pregnancy and define that as surgery. And in so doing, create a whole new set of restrictions on where and who where the service can be provided and who can provide it. And in the end, it will make the service less available. So now let's talk about the second issue of great concern. And that really is a proposal that's going to make it as difficult as possible for women to be able to afford their health care. And it's going to be basically it's going to eliminate abortion coverage in private insurance. And the most recent study that we have access to says that 87% of private insurance plans today cover abortion. That would become illegal in the state of Arizona.
If they do so much harm, why are the bills being introduced? Well,
Amanda, first of all, these bills are really being written by a special interest group that's opposed to abortion and that is opposed to birth control. And those bills are being handed to legislators to run them. Legislators who in many cases don't even understand the implications of the legislation they're being asked to sponsor. And for the people who are writing these bills, their interest is in eliminating access to health care, reproductive health care that enable women to make their own decisions in their lives. So if some women are harmed in the process, it's a sad, but in their minds, necessary consequence.
For people who are concerned, what actions can they take?
Amanda, the first thing that you have to do is speak up. We all have to speak up. We have to contact our legislators. We have to write our newspapers. We have to blog if we blog. We have to alert average Arizonans to the risks that are being posed to access to women's health care this year. This is the most sweeping legislation we have ever seen, and it can't be allowed to slide under the radar. So using our voices in whatever venue we have is the most important thing we can do.
Bryan, let's talk about the website for Planned Parenthood Arizona. What kind of information can people expect to find?
Well, our website, ppaz.org, really serves 2 purposes. One, it's the most comprehensive and accurate health information resource that women in the state can possibly access. So it talks about health issues and concerns, tests and treatment, services we provide, where we're located. So it's a great healthcare information resource. But for our activist part of our lives, our citizen part of our lives, that giving voice to our concerns and ensuring that our interests are represented in the political process. By going to ppaz.org, concerned women and the men who care about women can get up-to-date information about where these bills are and register to get updates on a routine basis.
Here are some actions every person can take. The first one is to let your friends and family know the truth about what the Arizona legislature is doing to women. Share this video with them via email, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Google Buzz. The second is to contact your legislator and tell them that women's health is important to you. Go to www.azleg.gov for more information. The last one being go to www.ppaz.org and look for the Take Action with PPAZ button to sign up for important legislative updates. Well, he's Bryan Howard, President and CEO of Planned Parenthood Arizona. For more information and to take action, join Planned Parenthood Arizona on the web at ppaz.org. Again, that's ppaz.org. Thanks again, Bryan.
Thank you, Amanda, for giving me this opportunity to talk about these critical issues that women and families in the state are facing today, and engaging your viewers in how they can act.